morning, you guys. It's Tuesday morning. It's 7:30 a.m. We are delivering here in Riverside, California at the Safeway. We left yesterday, Monday. I'm with my brother right now because my brown truck is still getting worked on. Yesterday we did a local run in Northern California and then brought a load over here to Southern California. Got here last night like around midnight. And then right now it's about 7:30 in the morning. We're about to go try to deliver for our 9 a.m. appointment. We are gonna see if they're gonna let us in. Right now I was doing my pre-trip, everything looked good, so let's go. Got all checked in. Crazy winds. I'm recording just in case we tip over. Freaking cold. So we're stopped here somewhere in Nevada, and I was doing my pre-trip and I was like, let me check the load, and this thing's about to fall. That one back there is about to fall also. Oh man, this is not good. So we got two pallets that look like they want to fall. Not good, not good. I didn't pick up the load, my brother did. I was sleeping. I don't know if he could tell if it was loaded wrong, or maybe we just took a couple corners too fast. But this is not good. Luckily we have the strap there that's holding it. But yeah, not good at all. We're going to the Amazon in Sparks, Nevada, so I'm gonna see if I can push this. But either way, if I could push, that's not really gonna make a difference, because then we got that one back there and this is already kind of slanted, also pushed back. So yeah, like I said, we were in Riverside earlier this morning, delivered there, went to Fontana, California, picked up a load there, which is these boxes that are going to the Amazon in Sparks, Nevada. They deliver at 7:30 in the morning. Right now it's about midnight, so we're almost there. Had to stop and get fuel right here though. I think fuel here is $3.14 with the mud flap code. So yeah, we have to go inside and get our receipt because it did not print on the pump, and I need to take a number one. We got paid pretty good for this load, so happy with that. And then tomorrow we have a really A+ load to pick up, so happy with that. All right, so we just got our receipt, but like I was saying, yeah, tomorrow we have a crazy good load, like super good. But there's one problem. When I got this load, the one that we're currently on, I didn't know it was an Amazon, and I usually hate going to Amazons. I don't know why, but I need to be in Sacramento before like noon. And Reno and Sacramento are about 2 hours and a half away from each other. So tomorrow I think I could check in like around 7. So latest that I need to be out there by is like 9:30. So that's where I'm kind of scared right now. All right, so we woke up this morning. We stopped last night in Sparks, Nevada at the Petro, but now we are heading to our delivery. I thought it was an Amazon distribution center, but it's actually going to be something else. Here we are pulling up, about to check in. It's about 7:20, I want to say. And we were told they start receiving at 7:30, 8-ish. So this place is called Novo, as you see right there. But yeah, let's do this. All right, 7:20 in the morning. We're about to go check in. Get the Black Beast. The address or the address for the delivery was over there somewhere to the right. But then the guy told us to come here because this is part of the same business. which was next door. Let's see, Novo, blah, blah, blah. We use Main between 12 and 13. Open 7:30 a.m., close 4 p.m. So we might have to wait 10 minutes because they open up at 7:30 and it's 7:20. All right, we're all unloaded, so we're gonna be able to make it to Sacramento, California before noon. It's 8:34 right now. It took about 40 minutes to unload us. All right, luckily they didn't take long over there in Sparks, Nevada. Now we're heading to Sacramento for a 1-pick 3 drop. We're gonna be delivering in Fairfield, California, Auburn, Washington, and then Linden, Washington tomorrow, which is Thursday. You wanna go on top? All right, so my brother ended up getting picked up here in Sacramento so he could go home, spend time with the family, and I'll be stuck here in Sacramento, and then I got to make a delivery in Fairfield, and then I'm gonna head back home, shower, take care of business, and then we're gonna take off together up north to Washington, Auburn. We'll take off like around 3 to 5 p.m. and we'll be in Washington tomorrow in the morning, like around 6, 7 p.m. So that's the plan for right now. And yeah, just waiting here getting loaded. 5 in the morning, my turn to drive. We are in Tumwater, Washington, about an hour away from our delivery, or hour and a half. But I had to stop and get some CJs because I am hungry. And then I did not bring any lunch. Made it to our delivery, Auburn, Washington. They only got one dock and there's a truck right there. Got done here picking up at the Amazon. So we're here in Everett, Washington, and just got done, like I said, picking up here at the Amazon. It's a bunch of old Amazon things that people return or messed up products, shit like that. And we're gonna be taking it to Stockton, California. So let me close up these doors. All good. Wait, I forgot we have to put on a seal. Seal on there. Let's get out of here now and head to California. My brother will be delivering this load to Stockton and I'll be going home for the weekend.